Hey y'all, another motivated day at the gym. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I woke up, looked at my body in the mirror. I was like, damn girl, I see you. Damn girl, I see you. I see why they on you, girl. I see why they on you, girl.
Go Cinderella, orgasm, blush, lipstick, Gigasilla, devil in a tight dress, girl, you a killer, and ain't no.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Trinity back again with another video. Another video? Hey, I'm lit. I'm back outside. I ain't sick. I'm lit. I'm back outside. I ain't sick. So I'm about to go to the gym. So y'all, I've been sick, honestly. I've been sick, okay? And I'm back. But I'm gonna be protected. But I'm just back, man. Like, I'm about to go to the gym. Like, I'm so excited. So we about to start the gym vlog, okay? Thank God it's Monday. I'm very, very, very motivated. Motivational Monday, okay? Like, I'm coming hard with my business, with my health, with my fitness, with me, with God. Like, what? All praise to the Most High. I've been raising my vibration, okay? God really, I always get sick around January, y'all. Because it's like a cleansing moment that God do for me. He always put me in this space where, like, I get sick and he have to cleanse me. I need to stay in my room. I need to figure things out. And, you know, I need to get motivated. So, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. If you don't know me, my name is Trinity. I've been on YouTube for a couple years now. I started YouTube when I was in high school. I'm currently 20. I'm about to be 21 next month, which is February 11. That's like in a couple weeks, y'all. 8. Okay, stay tuned for that vlog. But yeah, so basically on my channel, what I do is health, fitness. I do vlogs. I do ways for you to make money, ways for you to upgrade your life, because I'm all about personal development. You feel me? Like, I'm one of them go-getters. You feel me? I'm all about my business. You feel me? Like, yeah, I'm that girl when it comes to being on you, being confident. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just that girl. You feel me? I'm just so happy, y'all. And I just wanted to spread this positive energy, this positive love. Yes, I'm messing up my words, but it don't matter, okay? I hope y'all have a great day. Let me go ahead and go to this gym, because my girl waiting on me. Look, I got me a consistent gym partner, even though I be hearing the word her to death, but this is my friend, and we locked in. We're connected. We've been friends since 4th grade. Like, what? Who? Anyways, y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, this gym, y'all. Hey. We on week 3. Well, we've been working out longer than this, but we were working out together for 3 weeks. I've been working out for like 7 months. Probably 8, yeah. I've been working out since August. Finishing up. 10-minute Stairmaster complete, 10-minute stretching complete. Now I'm about to get on these weights. She doing her weights. "30 minutes and we out." So she ready to go. My last minute, I made it 30 minutes, y'all. Monday gym complete. Hey y'all, we back at the gym again. Hopefully we more motivated than we was when we came yesterday because we didn't get everything done, but we pushed through. Did you? Yeah, you already ate. I don't normally eat when I go to the gym, so I feel like that's why I was tired. I don't eat. Stretch session over. Now we about to head to this Stairmaster. Stairmaster. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick. It's me. Coming up kill two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. All them want, tell them get the tongue. Every gun's up, every kill a mass up.
Mars have a pandemins, no, does a clot. Does a man of it, the way I feel my lips. No, so you must mad, my killer them no work. So, long as him a job food, too well sharp. And now I be gun for anything start. Pull it out, pull it hard, and pull it up. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick, miss me. I'm in a kill, two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick.
Alright, we about to do this.
Murder people edition. Cock on fire full of gun like Remington. Pull the charge up, big up a killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up in the man. We make the man up, smarty a fish up. And what a top, in a head back, like sponge up. Put the rest spot, mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Cover them sick, miss me. Coming up kill, two of them up in a this 45 feet, me caught it, now miss. Me finger move swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Ghetto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no, Latvia.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
You know that you're toxic.
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me 150. You know that's my city.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna end this workout with this elliptical 30 minutes, and then I'm out of here.
When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different.
Alright, so I did my 30 minutes on the elliptical, y'all, and we are done with the gym for today. It was fun. It's fun when you close your eyes. You gotta get up here, close your eyes, play your best music, and get lit like you at the club. Workout for today complete, y'all. This is day 2.
Too many twists and turns, twists and turns. Lot of way twists and turns, yeah.
Today we are trying the pineapple ginger lemonade by the Ginger Hills, black-owned business located out of Virginia. She got.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to know.
30 minutes cardio every day. I completed my 30 minutes on the elliptical. 350 calories, of course.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and eat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 How you want to body run by me. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Baby, I have murder, twist and turn. Look how you twist and turn, twist and turn. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Yeah, your body have to tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna.
All right, so we're gonna do our last 5 minutes on the Stairmaster. We did our hip abductions and all that stuff. We finished our workout today. 3 days this week, strong. Another successful workout is Wednesday. Usually me and her together, we do 3 days. I usually do 5. But tomorrow we're gonna try to come in here and get on this treadmill for 30 minutes. Keep this body slim and thick, you know.